All right, Maya's shoe was a 2.5 and her older cousin was a size 5. What is the difference in their foot length? So a size 2.5 is 8 2/8, and a size 5 is 9 1/8. So if we're trying to find the difference, you would take 9 1/8 minus 8 2/8. Now this one is confusing because we have to borrow. So I'm going to cross off my 8 and make it, or 9 and make it an 8. And I'm going to add my 8/8 over here. Now this is now 8. 1/8 plus 8/8 is 9/8. And I can minus 8 9/8 minus 8 2/8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7/8. There is a 7/8 difference between the two shoe sizes.